Are you ready to learn the alphabet together through art and adventure? Join us on Jilly's Corner, a channel for growing our minds. A is for art supplies. Did you know that the first crayons were made from a mixture of charcoal and oil? They were invented over 100 years ago. B is for ballet shoes. Ballet shoes are often pink or black, but some dancers wear brightly colored ones to match their costumes for special performances. C is for creativity. Creativity is like a superpower that everyone has. When you use your imagination, you can come up with amazing ideas. D is for doll. Dolls can be your best friends in playtime adventures, helping you tell stories and explore new worlds. E is for earmuffs. Earmuffs keep your ears warm and cozy, making them perfect for snowy days when you want to play outside. F is for friendship. Friendship is like a warm hug that makes you feel happy and supported, just like having a buddy by your side. G is for gymnastics mat. Gymnastics mats are super soft and help keep athletes safe while they practice their flips and jumps. H is for hairbrush. A hairbrush helps keep your hair neat and tidy, and brushing can be a fun way to take care of yourself. I is for ice skates. Ice skates have special blades that let you glide across the ice like a graceful penguin. J is for jewelry. Jewelry can be sparkly and colorful, allowing you to wear your personality and creativity for everyone to see. K is for kite. Flying a kite on a windy day feels like sending your imagination up high into the sky. L is for learning. Learning is an exciting adventure that helps you discover new things every day, just like being a detective. M is for magic wand. Magic wands have been used in stories for centuries, and they're often thought to channel magical powers and creativity. N is for notebook. A notebook is like a treasure chest for your ideas and drawings, where you can keep all of your thoughts safe. O is for optimism. Optimism means looking at the bright side of things. It's like wearing sunny glasses that help you see the good. P is for princess dress. Princess dresses are inspired by fairy tales and can make anyone feel like they're part of a magical story. Q is for quilt. Quilts are made from many pieces of fabric sewn together, and they often tell stories through the patterns and colors used. R is for roller skates. Roller skates let you zoom around like a superhero on wheels, feeling the wind in your hair. S is for skipping rope. Skipping rope is not only fun, but also a great way to stay active and improve your coordination. T is for tennis racket. A tennis racket helps you hit the ball back and forth, turning the court into your own playground. U is for umbrella. An umbrella is like a portable roof that keeps you dry when the rain comes, making puddle jumping even more fun. V is for volleyball. Volleyball is a team sport where you get to hit a big, bouncy ball over a net, working together with friends. W is for wonder. Wonder is the feeling of being amazed by something, and it's what leads to new discoveries and adventures. Fox ends in X. Foxes are clever animals known for their playful behavior and beautiful red fur, often seen as sneaky in stories. Y is for yarn. Yarn can be turned into cozy scarves and colorful crafts, making it a favorite for crafters everywhere. Z is for zipper. A zipper goes up and down a warm jacket or opens and closes a fancy purse. You did great.
Now let's put it all together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Please like and subscribe for more from Jilly B's Corner. Ready for games? What letter comes next? A, B. A, B, C. What letter is missing? M, O, P. M, N, O, P. What letter comes first? T, U, V. S, T, U, V. What letter comes last? E, F, G. E, F, G, H. Can you spot the L? Here is the L. Can you spot the K? Here is the K. Can you spot the P? Here is the P. Can you tell me what letter roller skates starts with? R. You got it. Can you tell me what letter ballet shoes starts with? That's correct. The letter B. What letter does ice skates start with? You got it. The letter I. Well done, everyone. Hi, friends. Let's learn the ABCs with the animals of the ocean. The ocean is like a giant underwater world, full of animals that are both exciting and amazing. Let's meet some of these cool creatures. A is for angelfish. The angelfish glides gracefully through the coral reef, looking like a little underwater angel. B is for blue whale. The blue whale is the biggest animal on Earth, and it loves to sing songs under the sea. C is for clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones and wiggle around like little underwater comedians. D is for dolphin. Dolphins love to leap and play in the waves, showing off their amazing flips. E is for eel. The eel slithers through the sea like a snake, hiding in crevices and surprising everyone. F is for flounder. Flounders are sneaky little fish that hide flat on the ocean floor, blending in with the sand. G is for giant squid. The giant squid is so big and mysterious, it looks like a creature from a sea monster story. H is for humpback whale. Humpback whales are gentle giants. They play loud melodies to communicate while they swim long distances across the oceans. I is for Indian Ocean humpback dolphin. The Indian Ocean humpback dolphin is known for its playful nature, often leaping out of the water in graceful arcs. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish float like little glowing balloons, drifting with the current in a peaceful dance. K is for killer whale or an orca. Killer whales, or orcas, are smart hunters who travel in families and work together to catch their food. L is for lionfish. With their long, spiky fins, lionfish look like underwater lions, but they are much better at swimming. M is for manatee. Manatees, also called sea cows, love to munch on seagrass while they slowly float along the ocean. N is for narwhal. Narwhals are like the unicorns of the sea, with long spiral tusks that can grow as long as a school bus. O is for octopus. Octopuses are super smart and can change their color to blend in with the ocean floor. P is for penguin. Penguins waddle on land, but are amazing swimmers, diving into icy waters to catch fish. Q is for queen angelfish. The queen angelfish wears a crown of bright colors and swims through the coral like royalty. R is for a stingray. Stingrays glide smoothly over the ocean floor, their flat bodies making them look like underwater pancakes. S is for shark. Sharks are the ocean's fierce hunters, with sharp teeth and speedy swims that make them kings of the sea. T is for turtle. Sea turtles travel across the ocean for thousands of miles, carrying their homes, shells, with them. U is for upajibia or a ghost shrimp. Ghost shrimp burrow deep in the sand, using their large claws to dig tunnels where they can hide and hunt for food. V is for vampire squid. The vampire squid has glowing eyes and a cloak-like body, making it look like a spooky sea creature. W, walrus. Walruses are large, lumbering animals with big tusks and thick, wrinkled skin who love to haul out on icy shores and take naps. X is for xiphias or a swordfish. The swordfish has a long, sharp nose that looks like a sword, helping it cut through the water. Y is for yellowtail. Yellowtail fish have bright yellow tails that stand out as they swim fast through the ocean. Z is for zebrafish. Zebrafish have shiny stripes all over their bodies, looking like little underwater zebras. The ocean is home to so many incredible creatures, and it's important that we do everything we can to keep it clean and healthy. When we all work together, we can keep the ocean clean, safe, and full of life for future generations of creatures and humans alike.
Join our Jilly family and let's explore together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.